Hello, guys. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to watermark your videos with Filmora 11 so that they can't be stolen or sold. So let's get to the video without taking up too much of your time. Therefore, a watermark can be a text or logo that is added to your video to identify it as being original content from you. I'll now demonstrate how to correctly and quickly add a watermark to your video and all of your YouTube videos, so that you may import your video into the timeline and add a watermark. You have the option of including a text or logo watermark. Let's start by selecting any text in the text app, dragging it to the timeline, and sending it. To open the text editor, double-click the text box. When you are texting, select the advanced editor, then click to make the watermark less opaque. Is that correct? Additionally, you can import a logo to use as a watermark by dragging it over your video and dropping it right-hand bottom corner of your video. And that's how you do it in Filmora when adding a watermark to your video. If you found this video to be educational and really useful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons so you won't miss any of my next videos on the channel.